are we going to find the constant of variation? Okay, so number 1, A varies directly as B, and A equals 15 when B equals 5. So, unang-unang gagawin ay gagawa muna tayo ng formula or i-interpret natin itong expression na nandito. A varies directly as B. So, eto yan. A equals KB. So, directly kaya magkatabi. Itong K and B. Yung K yun yung constant mo. Okay? Next, after that, identify natin yung given na A, which is equal to 15, and then yung B, which is equal to 5. Later, ito yung isa-substitute natin pag nakuha na natin yung value ng constant. So, in here, using the formula, we will derive the formula for the constant. So, pag nag-derive tayo, i-divide lang natin to both sides by B. Divide natin by B. Para ma-cancel out yung B dito, K na lang yung matitira. So, K now, after dividing both sides, equals A over B. So, eto na ngayon ang formula ng constant natin. Now, eto na yung substitute natin dito. So, K equals A over B. Ang A mo ay 15, ang B mo ay 5. So, 15 divided by 5 ay 3. So, ang constant of this, constant of variation is 3. Okay? Number 2. C varies inversely as D, and C equals 7 when D equals 4. So, inversely. So, pag sinabing inversely, yung constant ay magiging over doon sa next quantity natin. So, C, copy mo yung C. Ito na kasi yung formula natin. Equals K, which is yung constant, over, kasi inverse, over D. Represented by D yung other quantity natin. So, from here, we will derive the formula for the constant. How are we going to derive? Divide both sides. No. How are we going to derive the formula for K? Etong C, dahil whole number naman yan, i-over 1 natin and then cross multiply. So, K times 1 is K. C times D is CD. So, eto na ngayon. So, K equals CD. Based dun sa definition ng inverse, the product is constant. The product of this quantity is constant. Kasi sa direct variation, the ratio, ito yun the ratio of this is constant sa direct. Sa inverse, the product is constant. Dito naman, the ratio is constant. Okay, going back with the problem number 2, ito na yung nakuha nating constant, which is K equals CD. Now, i-substitute na natin to sa value ng C at saka D base dito sa given natin. So, ang C ay 7, ang D ay 4. So, using the formula for the constant CD, substitute C which is equal to 7 and D which is equal to 4. So, 7 times 4 is 28. Therefore, ito na ang value ng constant natin which is 28.